Imagine making money from your phone in just a day, lying on your bed, sitting in your couch, or just in your office, and you are pressing your phone, answering simple survey questions, and money is dropping into your account. It will be an exciting opportunity to you. I know it. That is why I bring it your way. So I want you to stick to the end of this video because I'll be leading you through the steps that you can take from downloading the app from the App Store to signing up, filling the form, and getting started. This app that I'm about to introduce to you is similar to the previous app I introduced in my previous video, which you can see it from the link above. The app I introduced before was Premise. Premise is a very nice app that you can use and make money. Okay, I showed the process, the steps taken, and the tasks that are there, and people are already making money from it also. They are in almost 150 something countries in the world. So definitely I know that your country is among those countries. So that video is for you because you will also benefit from Premise app. But today I'm not going to be talking about Premise. If you want more information about Premise, please click on the link and watch the video. Today I want to talk about another app called Toloka app. It's a very exciting app that I've discovered, and I'm not just bringing any app to you that I've not tested. I've tested it, I've made money from it, I've withdrawn it. The only thing about Toluta app that is different from Premise you can withdraw into your bank account direct. Before they changed it to you can only withdraw as crypto or as a recharge card. But before then, you could withdraw it into your bank account. The difference with the local app is you can withdraw it into whichever way you choose, whether PayPal, whether Payoneer, whether Skrill, and the rest of the app that they have. You can withdraw your money straight into them, and from there you can convert it into your local currency and put it in your local bank account. So the local app is a survey app. You use and answer simple questions and you earn money. And the good thing about it is that you see the money dropping into your wallet instantly as you finish taking the survey. At the end of it, the money that is there, you see the money that you earn, and when you finish, you see it drop in your wallet. When it reach the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw it right into the wallet you choose. Okay, so it's a very exciting app that I brought your way. If you have stayed to this point, it means you enjoy this video already. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Drop a comment so that I will be encouraged and also know how I can help you. So without wasting our time, we will be going into the video. But before then, I want to tell you that this is an opportunity for you to make money using your phone at the comfort of your home. You don't need to be using your data to be watching things that are not bringing money to you, except you are learning something just as you are watching this video. Okay, this is profitable because it's going to be opening your eyes to how you make money. But except that, you should be using that opportunity to do survey and be making money. You are getting paid for every questions that you answer, information that you provide, everything that you help them to discover, you are getting paid for it. So it is exciting app and I can't wait to show you. let us dive into the video.
So the first thing you need to do from here is to click on your Play Store and go to Play Store and begin to search for Toloka online earning. So when you type in the word just or Toloka, you just open it. Okay, I have already installed mine, so all I need to do is to click on open, but you can also download it if you have not. And these are the things that you experience to tasks from home, simple tasks, and to tasks on the go. So those are the things, these are the reward for every task that you do, and here is where you withdraw into the available account. So I open the app after I've downloaded, and I use Google to log in to their account. So log in and put in your email. So I have to blur it so for security purpose. So then it will take you here. All you need to do is to put in your name. You already know my name, Ubang Isaac. So I type in my name, my first name and my last name, and if you read the instruction, the name that you provide should be the same name on your bank details. Okay, then you put in your date of birth and you proceed, check the boxes, and next it, and it will take you here. You search the country that you are located. So I'm in Nigeria, and I was searching for Nigeria. I take Nigeria, continue, click on continue, and it will bring you here, and you choose the language. Okay, so any language you speak, and you choose I speak English, so I choose English, and this is the home page. It will take you here, and you see the tasks that are available and their prices. All right, so just scrolling through it, and this one that I found is, so when you answer the rest and you click on it, it will now, there's a particular twin app that you need to, there's a twin app that you need to download for you to be able to access that. So when you click on the task and you read the instruction, so for this particular task that I click, this is the instruction. So you go through the instruction and how they want you to perform the task. So you read through it, and it's plenty, so I'm not gonna go through them. You can pause the video and read through them. Okay, so those are the things that they want you to do, and these are the samples of the images that they are expecting from you. So when you get that done, you now are able to submit it to them for them to be able to access it and pay you. So still going through them one after the other, still going through them one after the other to know that I'm going back to the task, and I click on start. All right, as if I want to start, I just want to show you how it goes. So you can see the time. It will take you 1 hour. You have 1 hour to complete it, but you can do it in at most 5 minutes. They are just giving you time, that 1 hour time frame, in case you have something to attend to while you were still working on it. You can still go and do it. And so where you see that place is where you put in the code that they will generate for you from the instruction. You see that there was a place that you need to get a code after you've completed the task. So I'm not going to complete it, so I will now come here and cancel the task and say I can't complete it because I'm doing the tutorial. I don't want to make this video long. So there are other tasks that you can see, and this is my account. Okay, my profile, so you can see my name. I just opened this account, so there is nothing in the account. My old account was locked out because I lost my old phone, so I can't access it. That's why I just have to open this one to show you how to work. So that is it. You see other things. Here is the when you have made the money that you want and you reach the minimum withdrawal. These are the options where you can where you can withdraw your money. So when you click on money, all your monies will appear there. And this is still my profile. You can do some settings under these settings. You can also choose your goal, what you want to achieve in a day or in a week, and pursue it. So we are just scrolling through it to show you the task. You can refresh, and sometime when you answer one, it will enable another to come up to pop up. So that is how it is. Some of the tasks may not appear immediately, but as you finish, others are coming out. So this is not the only one that are here. There are many. So also you have to enable your location so that they will know where you are and know exactly what to send to you, because they won't send you where you cannot access. You can't send you something that is not in your locality.
All right, I believe you have watched the video and you have learned something new. If there is something you still want me to explain, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be dropping the link to the app in the comment section. So if you want to download it, just click on the link in the comment section and download it. And you can also go straight to using your device, go straight to Play Store of your choice. If you are using iOS, go to the iOS store. If you are using Android, go to Google Play Store and download the Toloka app. You see it from this logo on the screen. So when you download it, you follow the steps that you've learned from the video and sign up for it. I want you to start increasing your earnings using the knowledge you've gotten from this tutorial video. I wish you all the best.